StrSubstitutor in Log4j. Now we are considering StrSubstitutor substitutes variables with a string by values. As an example, we can consider class StrSubstitutor here. This is the main class we are referring actually. Substitutes variables within a string by values. This is in package org.apache.logging.log4j.core.lookup. The simplest example is to use this class to replace Java system properties, for example here and here. The method public static string replace system properties object here source. This is deprecated, and this replaces all the occurrences of variables in the given source object with their matching values from system properties. The typical usage of this class follows the following pattern. First, an instance is created and initialized with the map that contains values for available variables. Here, if the prefix and or suffix for variables should be used other than the default ones, the appropriate settings can be performed. After that, the replace method can be called passing the source text for interpolation. In the return text, all the variables, variable references, as long as their values are known, will be resolved. So this provide the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Now we are considering property substitution in configuration. For example, the following example shows the file name for the rolling file appender being declared as a property. Log4j2 supports the ability to specify tokens in a configuration as references to properties defined elsewhere. Some of these properties will be resolved when the configuration file is interpreted, while others may be passed as component where they will be evaluated at runtime. To accomplish this, Log4j uses variations of Apache command slang StrSubstitutor and StrLookups classes. In a manner similar to Ant and Maven, this allows variable declares as $, open curly brace name, closing curly brace to be resolved using properties declared in the configuration itself. For example, the following example shows the file name for the rolling appender. Rolling file appender being declared as a property. Now we are considering script pattern selector in pattern selectors in pattern layout in layout. The script pattern selector execute a script as described in the scripts in the documentation. The script is passed all properties configured in the properties section of the configuration. The string StrSubstitutor used by the configuration in the substitutor variables and the log events in the log event variable and is expected to return the value of pattern match key should be used or null if the pattern should be used. Now we are considering request filter in filters. The parameter name here, the substitutor, that's type StrSubstitutor. The StrSubstitutor used to replace lookup variables. As an exception example, we can consider illegal argument exception. If the prefix or suffix is null, in the method public string substitutor map string value map string prefix string suffix this is actually the this can be occurred in the constructor actually. This is a constructor here. This string substitutor is a constructor. As an error example, we can consider this occurred in the environment with Log4j 2 and Apache Camel. Error invalid date format now :YYY mmdd-hh mmss using default java.lang.illegal argument exception illegal pattern character n and etc. Then org.apache.logging.log4j.core.lookup.strsubstitutor.resolve variable etc.